Do you know that selling online classes has never been so easy? Let's see together some simple tips you can follow even if you are a beginner. Hi, I'm Silvia Galati from Affilify and welcome to this episode of Affilify Lab. If you research right now, you can find online in every niche tons of online courses. No matter if they are good or not, they give you hours and hours of video to watch, PDFs to read, worksheets or checklists to follow. And immediately you feel overwhelmed by all the information. And most probably you will quit soon without having results. It's precisely how your clients could act if you don't follow these tips. While you are creating your online training course, you have to work with the end in mind. Your clients must have results. Satisfied clients are willing to buy more product from you. They will share fantastic reviews and referrals to others, bringing you other customers. So that's why I truly believe also in learn by doing. It's just like swimming. You can read books or watch videos, but unless you jump into the water and start swimming, you will never learn how to swim. So you have to develop your online training course by following these principles. Principle number 1, give a timeline. If you don't plan and set goals in advance, you will fail and your clients too. So create your training course with a specific timeline from the beginning till the end. If you are selling, for example, a weight loss program, it could be developed between 1 to 3 months action plan. It's perfect because your potential clients won't be overwhelmed and they'll improve a healthy habit. Principle number 2. Strategically structure your training course. Once you have decided on the timeline, it's time to create the structure of your training course. You might think of a daily or weekly lesson with a specific goal to reach. The length of lesson is not crucial. What's important is to give assignment and action step focus on achieving goals. Remember to reward once an action step has been done, so your clients are more willing to go ahead with your training. Principle number 3, follow them personally. Your clients are busy with their lives, their problems, or their business, and 99% of the cases, they need someone that keeps them on the track. That's why on your training program, you can give a one-on-one or group coaching to keep them accountable. Create a community on social media for your clients to support along the path, to celebrate success, and to bring more people in. Remember, alone we can go fast, but together we can go far. So this was Affilify Lab. See you on the next episode.